So yeah.
So we are heading up to Kramer. I don't know what exactly their name is. Kramer Construction, I think.
They
They have steel, and they're cutting us a decent deal on a stick of 1 1/4 120 wall that we're going to be using for the trike, the backbone on it, and
so,
whatever other projects in the future.
So you could say that we're going to get shafted tonight.
What?
We're picking up a rod. We're picking up a shaft, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. So tonight, however Donnie wants to label that, we're going to be working on some of the Tricycle main pieces. We're going to be putting on that backbone, extending it a little way so that he can actually fit on this thing.
Yeah, it's not designed for an adult.
Yeah. And so we'll be doing some fabrication. We're heading up there right now. We're going to pick it up. Taking you guys with us.
Yep.
There's a little sign that says Kramer on the mailbox. Is that it? Nope, St. Germain's. See, it said it's on the right side, but 7/10 of a mile down, so I suppose we're a little ways.
It's going to be a piece of cardboard taped to a telephone pole that says Kramer.
Right.
Some guy with a panel van sitting out there.
Nice.
Yo, you want to buy some metal?
Yeah, I want to buy some metal. It's in the back. I already cut it for you.
So in this episode, we get taken advantage of. Look, construction equipment. Nope, that doesn't say Kramer though. It's a little more trailer oriented. Something construction warehouse.
Oh man, these brakes. These brakes just don't know what they're doing. Kramer next right?
Is that this right, or does he mean like the actual next right? Because to me, this is this right. Yeah, there's a sign up there.
So next right? After this right? Like this isn't it?
I don't think this is it.
We don't think this is it. Sorry guys, this isn't it. Because he said, no, this is Kramer Steel Supplies. He's gonna come around to the back.
Like, is this the back?
This is the back.
Oh, right here in the
Yep.
big old warehouse area.
So the second door, he thinks he was gonna be actually like unloading stuff. Where are the sticks? Where do they got all of it?
Stick right here. There's
I don't know.
some stick sitting over there.
Might have to adjust here a little bit. Yeah, we'll see.
Good enough.
Dude. I don't know the dude's name. I should probably know the dude's name.
Kramer?
Wish I knew some good Seinfeld lines. I know that you sat on it as a child's trike, you know.
So it should fit as an adult.
Yeah, so you will need ape hangers for sure.
Another thing I could do is make little 90-degree brackets to come off of here.
For pegs
so
to...
your feet
You mean highway pegs?
I put highway pegs on it.
Yeah, we could make them little mini highway pegs. Yeah. Yeah, that's an option. God, what else? Especially since you've got the gusset on the front of the tube there. That gives us mounting points for the upper, if you make a bracket out of it for highway pegs.
Super highway pegs,
Um,
just not like this the whole time.
Yeah, right. So, yeah, and that's a little bit closer. I mean, if you kind of got to get your balls like right on the backbone of it, because I mean, and that seat is really not very long.
No.
I mean, if we did like a chopper seat, then it might fit your ass a little better. But now's a good time to figure out what size ape hangers you're gonna need too.
Well, there's the handlebars that come on this, I can always tilt forward. So, kind of how they are.
All right.
It's kind of hard to tell because this is actually sitting on the ground.
So imagine that 5 inches up.
So, like that. I just don't want like something to give out and hit me in the gut.
We'll just watch and we'll see if there's anywhere that it seems like it's struggling.
I'm gonna stand on this side though of the pieces